Hello everyone, in this Photoshop tutorial I'm gonna show you how to edit product photos for e-commerce websites. In this case we'll edit out a necklace. So, this will be the next necklace that we're gonna edit. First off, let's make a duplicate of the layer. Always make sure to make a duplicate. Now I will add another layer. It will be a blank layer. I will put it below the copy that we made. And with the paint bucket tool, I will color it in white, so that now when you cut out the jewelry, we can see what we are doing. So first, we'll cut out these parts here from here, the piece to here. Now, I'll use the eraser tool. When I cut out necklaces, I always cut them out with the eraser tool with minimum hardness at 0%, so that the jewelry looks more 3D, the chain will look more like a 3D effect. The other parts I will cut out with the pen tool. So let's get started. Let's lower the brush size. I'm doing it with left and right bracket tools, bracket keys on the keyboard. Now let's start cutting. I will start from here to maybe here. Now I will make the eraser tool bigger, and I will make the hardness all the way to 100%. Now I will again make the eraser tool smaller, again hardness to 0, and I will cut out these parts here. Now select the pen tool, and we will make a selection of the cross. Now we need to erase the outer part like here, so we will make the selection like this. Now right click, select make selection, press OK, and now just press the backspace to erase. Now we made the selection. Oops, let's delete it here. I'm doing this with the eraser tool. Now just increase the hardness and the size, and let's delete the things that we won't need. Like this. Now, as you can see, this part here is not straight, so we will have to straighten it. again with the pen tool. Now make selection, press OK, and now just press Command X or Control X to cut it, and press Command Control V to paste it. Now it's pasted on a separate layer. For this layer, with the eraser tool, let's erase these parts. Like this. Select the layer, press Command or Control T, and just go to Edit and then Free Transform, and let's straighten it. Like this, press OK. Now with the eraser tool, let's lower the opacity so that we can see what we are doing. We will just erase here. Increase the opacity, maybe like this. Now the part here, just grab the constant tool, by pressing the Alt key, just sample. Oops, sorry, we need to select this layer. From this we will sample from here. Like this. Now the jewelry is more straight. Now from here, select the rectangular marquee tool, make selection of this here. Again, press Command X to cut it, and Command Control V to paste it. So that this is on another layer. Again, select this one. Or go to Edit and then Cut, and then paste. Now we have separate layers for most of the parts of our jewelry. Now press Command or Edit and then Free Transform. Let's make it like this. This fits good. Now for this here, oh sorry, for now let's delete this layer, and this here, press Command J to make a duplicate of it, and now just transform it, Command Control T, Rotate and Free Transform, and now here make sure to unlock it, and on the width just type a minus so that we turn around the part. Now put it about here, Let's press OK. Again, lower the opacity so that we are seeing what we are doing with the eraser tool. Hardness to 0. Just erase here. Increase the opacity. Now, this part here, if you want to make it, let's continue it. Let's continue it here. Press Command J to make a duplicate of the layer and just move the piece like this with the eraser tool on this one. Just erase over here. With the Shift key, select both layers and you can merge them. Let's press Command J one more time to duplicate. Control Command J on Windows. Like this. Select the layer before that. Erase here. Now for this one, we'll do the same. Control Command J. Select both layers, merge them, Command Control J, but it fits around here. Like this. Now just crop the image. It's too big. Press OK. Now this is our cross. Now, as you can see, the image is with a poor quality. I think that this is some kind of silver gold, or maybe rose gold. I don't know. We'll just change the color. I will make it gold color, yellow gold color. This is the gold color that I use. Press OK. Now with the brush tool, the color replacement tool, sorry. Now select all the layers, press Command and Control J to make a duplicate of all the layers, and just merge them so that everything is at one layer. These here, we can group them. Make sure to hide the group. And now just let's replace the color. Let's make it yellow gold. like this. Now if you want to make it silver, just select a lighter silver color and paint on it. Like this. And if you want to make it lighter, just go to filter and then camera raw filter and just play around with the basics, maybe the exposure, contrast, highlights, so that you get the silver that you want. But I like it more in gold. Now let's just put the shadow here. Select the Eclipse tool with a black color. Make sure to make it on a black layer, like this. Now go to filter, then blur, Gaussian blur. It wants to make it a smart object. Increase the radius from here, and now just lower the opacity. Like this. Now, this is the before and this is the after. The before and the after. Also, I have tutorials on how to use the pen tool and how to change jewelry color. The links will be down in the description below. And this is the tutorial for today. If you like the video, press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop and Lightroom tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye.